How to cancel your Chegg subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Chegg subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel your Chegg account subscription, maybe you've ordered a book course or anything else and that you want to cancel the subscription, it's very simple to do so. Just go to the chegg.com website. I'll make sure to drop a link and then make sure to sign into your account. Then click on your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then just go to the option called the My Account, as you can see. Once you go to My Account, by default you'll be taken to the overview page. But what you want to do is just tap on this overview drop down menu and then you want to go to orders. So just tap on the orders button, and then once you tap on orders, basically you'll be able to see any subscription. Currently it states that I don't have any current subscriptions, but if you do have, tap on the subscription that you want to cancel. It will ask you for some of the reason why you want to cancel it. Just select them and then go ahead and then cancel it, change it accordingly to do so. And that is it for this video on how you can cancel your Chegg account subscription. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.